I am so happy and grateful now that everything has already worked out for me, even better than I expected. Life is easy, safe, fun, peaceful, and enjoyable in every way. I am already divinely blessed, protected, guided, and highly favored in all that I do. Each day, in every way, my life is getting better and better. I am so grateful to be calm, peaceful, easygoing, and at ease. I am so happy and grateful now that I'm receiving $20,000 a month in new income that I love. The universe has already rearranged itself to provide me with a wonderful new, fun $20,000 monthly income that I love. I already have everything that I need to easily and enjoyably earn a fun new $20,000 monthly income that I love. I am a blessing to thousands of wonderful people, and I am blessed to serve them at my highest and best levels. I love receiving $20,000 in monthly income. Life is so easy, safe, fun, and enjoyable each day. I love my life. It is normal, easy, fun, and safe making $20,000 a month. I love making $20,000 in monthly income. I have the easiest, safest, funnest, most amazingly wonderful life. I am showered with blessings, kindness, abundance, and miracles every single day. I am already receiving $20,000 in monthly income. I embody the feeling, peace, ease, and safety of earning $20,000 a month in income. Life is so beautiful, wonderful, and enjoyable every single day. My life is amazing. I love having a wonderful $20,000 in monthly income that's perfect for me in every way. This or something better for the highest good for all and with harm to none, and so it is.